I want to show you this today. Look at this. It is the local sunset rum, and it certainly does what it says on the label. Catch that very strong rum. It's 84.5%, and I've been here, it seems like a few months. It is a few months, and I've had enough of that, so I'm not having that. And I've come here to see Lennox and lovely Dew's doing the filming in the Lion's Den. Lennox the Lion, to have one of their beautiful natural juices. Oh wow, yeah, it's so nice. So, why have I got the face paint on? It's because of this, and here and where I am. I'm in Leo Petroglyph Park. That's stone carvings on the leeward side on St Vincent, right? And I'm here to see, I'll show you in a minute, the rock carving, which is about, Shelley, how old are they? Over 1,000 years old. And what's the other question I had to ask? I'm sorry. Oh, who was it done by? The Caribs. Yeah, there we are, the site manager, Shelley Ann. Okay, and Emma on the camera. Just show these people. Oh, don't forget the god. The name of the god is? Show the people round the god.
The god of cassava.
Yeah, the god of cassava, that's why. His name is? Yukahu. No more autographs. Okay, where am I? I'm so excited. I'm at a film set at last. And it's the film set of the first Pirates of the Caribbean here at Waliaboo. Not in Australia where it sounds, but on St Vincent on the leeward side. You know that film, the one with Johnny Depp and Orlando Bloom.
It's Bloom!
Oh, I hope you caught that, the rainbow. Well, look, we all love waterfalls, don't we? We love them, and this one at Dark View Falls, look, it's an absolute classic. More than that, it's my favourite. And I visited, I'm sure, all of the best waterfalls.
What about Niagara?
No, not Niagara. Anyway, but Dark View Falls and its setting is unbelievable.
What about Victoria?
Not that. Who is this guy? Get this guy off me. Look, anyway, where was I? Take it away, Kaz. Show them the view, the magnificence.
Hi there. I slipped off the track here, and as you can see, thank God, there's some heavy undergrowth because there's pretty much a sheer drop there. But I'll be okay, and you know, I'll be there. Can you give me a hand?
Well, I just had to stop here and show you this because it is a typical St Vincent view this is. And my friend Mel on the camera and her friend Keisha will show you, pan round, and we'll show why it's sort of moving, why it's a typical view, because it's very near the sea and it's lush, and I wanted to stop and talk to these girls and have a reason to, and you'll probably not see this one anyway, but it might be quite good. I think that's about it. Cut. I'll take you up market today, very up market, because I'm on the beautiful Paradise Island called Young Island, just off the coast, just there, off St Vincent. Very, very exclusive and obviously very expensive. Once hired famously by Bill Gates in its entirety. So James, show the people around and swing round a little bit. So, Young Island, home to the rich, famous and beautiful people.
So how are you here?
How am I here? No. So even I'd forgotten. So, how come you're here? Oh, what? Now, I don't know why they let me into these exclusive places, but they do, and this one is lovely. It's called the Plantation. Kiki on the camera, show them around the gorgeous gardens. Show them around. Yes, look at all these lovely statues and lovely view, and I hope you can hear me. Yes, can you? Yeah, yeah. She is lovely, isn't she? Can I take her home? Press it again. Ferry and cruise ship terminal, selling coconut water and other juices with my friend Jabil, who who's going to show me how to do it and how to say it. So, coconut water.
No, coconut water. Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Coconut water. Water.
Yeah, coconut. Very easy.
Thank you. Okay, so Green Bowley, what a fantastic place it is on Bequia. Show them around, Sam. Do a nice pan for me. Don't go too fast. Don't go too slow. Look at it. It is absolutely wonderful. Look at the colour of the sea there. And we're swinging around to the lovely people sitting. And here's the owner, Lyston, who's had it for 30 years. And there we are. Okay then, that's all right. Okay, yeah, oh good, it's culture time again. And behind me you'll see a viaduct. And it's for transporting water. Well, actually that's what a viaduct is, isn't it? From inland to an old sugar factory here. 200 years ago, it was king sugar in Vinci until devastating, not earthquake, volcanic eruption and hurricanes destroyed the crops, and also a lot of beet grown in Europe. So there we are, culture, show them seconds how it goes, miles inland. There we go. Okay, we've had enough. Not still loaded, I hope. Anyway, where am I? I'm on the top of the hill in Kingstown in Fort Charlotte. Right, a fort built by the British about 200 years ago, not to defend against the French coming from the sea over there, but from the marauding Caribs, the St Vincent Caribs, who resisted the French and the British longer than anyone else in the Caribbean. How cool is that? Vinci Caribs rule! Today I'm a barman, and where am I a barman? In the world famous Jack's Bar on Bequia. It's always in the world's top 10 bars. I mean, look, it's sailcloth and wood. Jeffrey, show them around. Hello, sir. What can I get you?
Well, I'll have a gin and tonic, I think, old chap.
Help me out. What's in that now?
Oh, still, it's mostly gin.
That way. Has to be that way for the video. Has to be that way. Keep it level. Here I am in dancing. Go on. You pressed it? Good. That's enough. Press it again. Press it again. In a beautiful 700-year-old cathedral in the centre of Kingstown in St Vincent. Not to see the church itself, but to see an amazing feature on the stained glass window that's up there that Cheryl is going to show you. Now, can you see? Are we there yet? Yes, it's an angel in red. Why? Because it was given to the people of St Vincent by Queen Victoria. She would not, for St Paul's, have an angel in red. She said, I'm not pleased. No, hang on. I'm not amused.
All your friends but tell you true.
Look, you've got to help. You see this space? Look, just for taking some pictures. Honestly, look, this is my exercise yard. Look, I'm going crazy. Sending money to St Vincent Prison, St Vincent, the Caribbean. Well, the sun's shining and it's... Yeah, actually, don't bother. I like it here. Okay, bye.
Been right down now in a perilous time.